Many people think achieving financial freedom requires extreme sacrifices, cutting all expenses, or completely changing their lifestyle. But that's not true. There are practical steps that you can implement today to improve your financial security without compromising your quality of life. In this video, I'll show you how to optimize your finances, build wealth, and achieve financial freedom faster with simple strategies. Stay tuned. Welcome to the channel. Here, we talk about investing, wealth building, and financial independence. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss valuable financial tips. Let's dive into the steps you can take to become financially free without making drastic lifestyle changes. The easiest and most effective way to build long-term wealth is through automation. Many people struggle to save money consistently because they rely on willpower, which often fails. The key to success is setting up an automatic system that makes saving and investing effortless. How to do it? 1. Set up an automatic transfer so that a portion of your income goes into a savings or investment account as soon as you get paid. 2. Use an ETF savings plan and invest $50 to $200 per month into a low-cost index fund. 3. Build an emergency fund of at least 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. Once this system is in place, your wealth will grow passively without requiring constant attention. Becoming financially free does not mean you have to live a life of deprivation. Instead, focus on eliminating wasteful spending while keeping the things that truly add value to your life. 3 simple ways to save money. 1. Review your subscriptions and cancel any that you don't use regularly, like unused streaming services or gym memberships. 2. Compare prices and switch providers for utilities, phone plans, or insurance to get better deals. Many people save hundreds per year this way. 3. Spend smarter, not less. Instead of buying cheap, low-quality items, invest in high-quality products that last longer. By making these small changes, you can save money without feeling like you're missing out. Most people believe that the only way to make more money is by switching jobs, but there are plenty of low-effort ways to boost your income without making drastic career moves. 3 simple strategies. 1. Negotiate your salary. Many employees are underpaid, and a simple salary negotiation can lead to an increase of 5 to 15% per year. 2. Start freelancing. Use your skills for small side projects in areas like graphic design, writing, or consulting. 3. Earn money online. Opportunities like affiliate marketing, selling digital products, or creating content on YouTube can generate long-term passive income. Want to learn how to make money on YouTube? In the description is a link for that. Many people think that investing is only for the rich, but that's a myth. Even if you can only afford to invest $25 to $50 per month, you can still build significant wealth over time. Investment options for beginners. 1. ETF savings plans are a great option. 2. Dividend stocks. Companies like ExxonMobil and UPS pay dividends that provide passive income. The key is to start now. The earlier you begin, the more you benefit from compound interest. Achieving financial freedom is not about luck, it's about knowledge and strategy. The more you educate yourself about money, the better financial decisions you will make. How to improve your financial knowledge. 1. Read finance books like Rich Dad Poor Dad or The Millionaire Next Door to develop a strong mindset. 2. Watch YouTube videos and listen to finance podcasts to learn from experts. 3. Engage with financial communities, join forums or groups to learn from others' experiences. Investing in financial education is one of the best ways to secure your financial future. To sum up, you can achieve financial freedom without making extreme sacrifices. By implementing small but impactful changes, you can improve your financial security and build long-term wealth. Key takeaways. 1. Automate your savings and investments. 2. Eliminate unnecessary expenses without sacrificing lifestyle. 3. Find ways to increase your income without changing jobs. 4. Invest regularly, even with small amounts. 5. Continue learning and improving your financial knowledge. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more financial tips. See you in the next video.